In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Slack to Todoist, so you can turn messages into tasks and stay on top of your work without ever leaving your team chat. If your team lives in Slack, this integration means important things mentioned in a conversation don't get lost. You can capture them as Todoist tasks in seconds. Let's set it up. Start by opening your settings. The quickest way is to press the letter O, then the letter S, which takes you straight into the settings panel. In the list on the left, click Integrations. This is where Todoist connects to all your other tools. At the top, click the Browse tab. This opens the full gallery of available integrations. You can scroll through the list or use the search box to find what you need. Look for Slack and click it to open its page, where you'll see exactly what the connection can do. From here, the setup is simple. You'll click Connect, and you'll be asked to sign into your Slack workspace and approve the connection. I won't log into a personal account on screen, but those are the steps. Click Connect, choose your Slack workspace, and allow the permissions so the two apps can work together. Once it's connected, you get some genuinely useful powers. You can create a Todoist task directly from any Slack message using a simple command, so a request from a teammate becomes an actionable task instantly. You can also get Todoist notifications right inside Slack, keeping your whole team in the loop without switching apps. This is one of those integrations that quietly removes friction from your day. Instead of copying things back and forth, Slack and Todoist talk to each other directly. Go ahead and connect Slack in your own Todoist and turn your team chat into a task capturing machine. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.